culturally, Parul is very diverse. You will get to see a lot of things. So in Parul University, students are coming from more than 100 countries.
There, each and every department here has their own dedicated clubs.
हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, करनी पड़ती है. I have a 9.36 CGPA.
I have a 9.92 CGPA.
9.9.
Yes.
I'll check.
Navratri में I have seen international students wearing chaniya choli. Freshers party में we had Badshah, Sunidhi Chauhan.
You can be a fresher, or even if it's your last day on the campus, you'll get lost.
ज़रूरी नहीं हर रातें दिन करने वाला आशिक हो. कुछ लोग नई सुबह बुनने में मशरूफ रहते हैं.
Hi guys, welcome back to Shiksha Insiders at Parul University Part 2. Today we are going beyond classrooms. Beyond classrooms mean clubs, cultural activities, fest, fun, and what makes Parul feel like second home. So we have two bright students from Parul University and we would like to start from introduction.
Hello, my name is Vidhi Kamdar. I am currently studying a Bachelor's of Design in Visual Communication. So logo, brand, fonts, color palette, these are on my fingertips. You can always find me behind a laptop working, toggling something, Adobe, Premiere, Photoshop, जो भी आप बोलो. And I have done a lot of filming and shooting also. I have been part of documentaries. I love public speaking too. I have competed on zone, state and national stages. And I'm a Hindi speaker, so I love public speaking too. And other than that, I come from Kolkata, the city of joy. But I am a Gujarati, so I have a mix of culture in me. There is some Bengali, there is some Gujarati also. And other than that, I am always keen on learning new things, whether it be dance, cooking, baking, anything you name it. I have a huge list of hobbies.
Multitasker. Okay, great.
Hi, I'm Heen Thakur. I'm a second year diploma in computer engineering student. I love reading books, especially murder mystery and thrillers. I love how those genres give me the adrenaline rush. I love public speaking. I've been to various events, parliaments, and last month I represented our university at PyCon India, which is one of the largest Python conferences in the world. And sadly, I also love crying over the bugs in my code.
Oh, interesting. Okay. So would like to start with how did you get to know about Parul University first?
Okay, fun story. My older brother, he had studied over here. He completed his bachelor's a year ago. So I had decided in my mind that I wanted to do something different from him, go to a new place, explore something new. But as soon as I came here, I took a tour of the campus and I was taken for it. The campus is beautiful. I came to the design building and it is one of the most beautiful places on the campus. It's my favorite place. I saw how the faculty is, what they teach, how design is taught over here. There is a lot of freedom for creative expression over here in design. And it was very intriguing. And after that tour, I could not have chosen any other university. So that is how I am studying here.
Okay. Here.
So when I was in 10th, I had made up my mind that since I want to go and study engineering, I will be following the conventional path, which almost everyone follows. Doing JEE, then going into an IIT or NIT or any top college in India. But during my prelims, I talked with one of our distant relatives. He is an employee here, and then he told me how diploma would be a better option for me rather than following the conventional path, because since I already know what my interests are, I can focus on working on that early on rather than wasting 2 years in chemistry and physics.
Okay.
So then he told me about all the opportunities that Parul University provides, especially in engineering fields. And then I did an online research. I visited shiksha.com
Oh.
to see the reviews, and then I made up my mind that I knew that this is where I need to be.
Adding to that, I also saw how many opportunities they've been giving the cultural platform over here. Being a public speaker, I wanted to have that platform. So I saw that too. And they were also offering dual degrees, which was very enticing, to go into different fields, do two things at the same time, gain extra knowledge, be one up compared to other people. So that was also one of the factors I considered before coming here.
Oh, okay. So we'll get straight into the topic that as an outsider, what we know is that Parul has a lot of clubs and societies for
Yeah.
everything, right? So would like to know about that.
Yes. So like बहुत सारे clubs हैं यहाँ पे. It is very interesting. You name the hobby and it is already here. So be it cooking, be it dancing, singing,
Horse riding.
horse riding. Yes, they have
We have
classes. about-
astronomy clubs where we can stargaze.
It is amazing. मतलब they come to the hostel and they bring their telescope and they bring their equipment, and when it's the perfect time at night, just certain time pay that star or some planet is going to show, they set up the telescope and they show it to you, so you can watch it, you can learn about stuff.
That's
There-
interesting.
Yeah.
Where each and every department here has their own dedicated clubs. Since I belong to a technical field, we have a tech club. Design people have a design club.
Okay.
Yes, and there's also fashion. So you name the hobby, it is already here for you. And other than that, in sports also, there are a lot of sports clubs.
Okay.
Kabaddi, then there is boxing. There are a lot of stuff. Shooting, archery, and so it's very diverse to choose from. It's a huge palette.
It's up to you what your interests are and which club you want to get yourself enrolled in.
So which one are you part of?
I'm a part of the tech club and the Sahitya, which is our literature club.
Two different clubs altogether.
Yes.
Tech and Sahitya.
Yeah, and I'm also the president of the tech club here. So
Oh,
I manage
president.
the club. Yeah.
Great. So how's your journey so far as a president or maybe being part of this club?
I love taking up leadership roles, and being the president of the tech club, I get to conduct so many hackathons, so many expert talks, so many workshops about technical things, and I love providing this opportunity to students because freshers are usually very hesitant when it comes to applying to clubs and participating in hackathons. But hackathons is a place where you can get real exposure and you can get an idea of how to survive in an industry.
Okay.
What skills are in demand today?
Okay. What about you, Vidya?
I'm a part of Sahitya. Like that is how we met actually. It's an interesting story. We met through the Sahitya Club. She's also a public speaker. We got to know each other, and then since I live in a hostel and she lives outside in the city with her family, we bonded over a tiffin box. She bought home cooked food. She bought cheese paratha, and
She loves eating.
I love eating. And after having eaten mess ka khana for such a long time, it was a delight. So from there, our journey started. And other than Sahitya Club, I'm also a part of the IEEE club over here. It's very less known as of now. It's a club for engineers, but it has a lot of diverse departments. So in the design department, I am the lead of design. I had a team of designers, instruct them how to do things. It's a leadership role. We make everything that is required for any event of the IEEE.
Okay. Okay. So since you said you're a hostler, right?
Yes.
So can you, describe your hostel journey about and any interesting story that you have for?
Hostel life is very fun. एकदम छिछोरे पे जैसे दिखाते हैं, it is as fun as that only.
Okay.
And hostel पे कुछ चीजें रखना is not allowed. Like kettle है, or it's a electric water heating rod, or maybe an induction. Those stuff is not allowed. But of course, being students, आप कुछ ना कुछ मस्ती करोगी, आप illegal चीजें करोगी. तो I have had a lot of fun. हम hostel पे we make pani puri. I made pasta. I made all the one pot TikTok recipes that you can see. I made sandwich using a press. I made a grilled cheese using a press.
I've seen on Instagram though.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Me too.
It works. It
Okay.
works. And hostel life is fun. Rules and regulations are also there, but that is just for your own safety.
Right.
And yeah, there's a very welcoming staff over there also. They take care of everything you need.
Any high moment or any moment that you would like to share that you really felt that at the hostel specifically?
Okay, like that moment would be, we were making Maggie at like around 12 or 1 in the night.
Okay.
And the thing is, जो electrical sockets है, they are not made to handle that much voltage. तो if you use a kettle for a long time, तो MCB की switch गिर जाती है.
Okay.
तो ऐसा 2-3 बार हुआ कि हमने switch गिर गई, हमने उठा देते थे, वो फिर गिर जाती थी.
Okay.
तो 2-3 बार लाइट गई, तो मेरे आसपास जितने लाइक 15-20 कमरे हैं, everyone was frustrated कि ये क्या हो रहा है. रात को 2 बजे electricity is going off and everyone was gathered in the corridor, and then they were doing a checking, but somehow we managed to smuggle the kettle off and we were saved. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Baal
nice.
bache.
Baal bache, yes.
Okay. Anything? I mean, you were
Days.
days college. So your journey, like how you commute, how do you do that?
So I use the university transport services.
Okay.
Our university has almost 100 buses. For each area, we have a different bus, and we have 3 shifts. first shift, ADM shift, and general shift.
Another thing would be कि there's a open theater over here in Parul University, and they do movie screenings every now and then. Like it's almost daily they screen movies. So recently they've shown Chennai Express, they've shown Dear Zindagi, they've shown a lot of fun movies. And जब screening होती है, so I try to go with my friends. It's usually from 7 o'clock onwards till 9:30 ish around. So वो भी, that is also a part of our campus life. It's a fun activity. You get to spend good time with your friends.
Okay.
Hearing all those hostel stories makes me regret why I'm not living in a hostel.
Okay. Okay. So any specific like movie that I mean, is it like on demand or on request or any club that operates that?
Okay, so there are 2 movie clubs specifically in the design college.
Okay.
They screen movies every Wednesday and Friday, I think. Or in those clubs, you can give your suggestion as to what movie you want to watch. They are mostly for education purposes because the animation and film students, they study movies. But in the open theater, there is not a place that you can suggest, but usually they choose movies that, are crowd favorites.
So इतने सारे events, festivals and all, debates and competitions, पढ़ाई करते हो या फिर वहाँ पे?
I knew you were going to ask this.
Okay.
I have a 9.92 CGPA.
Please, 9.9.
Yes.
9.9.
Yes.
I'll check.
I definitely.
Okay.
I have a 9.36 CGPA right now.
Okay.
Yes, हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, करनी पड़ती है, मतलब
बैलेंस करवाना चाहिए.
हाँ, पढ़ाई के लिए भेजा है तो रिजल्ट तो जाता है ना मम्मी पापा का, पढ़ना पड़ता है.
Right.
So, but पढ़ाई is also fun since I'm studying in design. तो it's not रट्टा मारो, याद करो, ये लिखो, वो लिखो, नहीं का प्रैक्टिकल काम होता है सारा. तो yeah.
तो केजो टाइप मूवीज में तो they showcase everything like filmy part,
हाँ.
competitions, events,
हाँ.
but they don't show us the scorecard.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
So that's great that you guys are doing well at both the ends. So that's great. Okay, so now tell me about the most embarrassing moment inside the university.
I'll start. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था कि मैंने ईयरफोन्स पहन रखे थे एंड आई वाज इन फुल वाइब, टशन में धूम मचाले. आई वाज लुकिंग गुड, आई ड्रेस्ड अप वेल दैट डे, फुल वाइब, मेन कैरेक्टर वाइब चल रही है ईयरफोन्स में. दुनिया में आसपास क्या चल रहा है उसका कोई ध्यान नहीं है. एंड आई वेंट टू दिस शॉप मिस्टर पफ. I ordered a cold coffee.
Okay.
Now the thing is, there was some guy next to me. He ordered something similar looking. It was maybe a banana milkshake or something. तो गाना चल रहा है एंड आई थॉट कि मैंने पहले ऑर्डर दिया है तो शायद मेरा ऑर्डर पहले आ जाएगा. तो आसपास क्या चल रहा है मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. मैंने बस भैया को बोला, भैया आई वांट अ कोल्ड कॉफी, आप प्लीज बना दो, पेमेंट करके. एंड आई एम जस्ट स्टैंडिंग देयर, आई एम स्क्रोलिंग, एंड द थिंग इज ही पुट्स बनाना मिल्कशेक ऑन द टेबल. एंड since I cannot hear anything, I thought it was cold coffee, and that guy was staring at me like this, and I have no idea what is going on. He said banana milkshake 4 times, but I couldn't hear. और मैं बस banana milkshake लेके मैं दूर से पी चुकी हूँ and मैं सिर्फ देख रही हूँ. मैं confused हूँ कि क्या चल रहा है.
Banana flavored coffee.
And I'm like, भैया मैंने आपको कोल्ड कॉफी बनाने को बोला. मैंने इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस से भैया के सामने देखी, भैया आई टोल्ड यू टू मेक कोल्ड कॉफी, आपने क्या बनाना डाल दिया इसके अंदर. तो उन्होंने ऐसे ऐसे पहले इशारा किया कि आप अपने ईयरफोन निकालो. मैंने ईयरफोन निकाली, कहती है मैडम क्या कर रहे हो आप, मैं 4 बार बोल चुका वो बनाना है. वो बेचारा देख रहा है, आप बस पी रहा. I was like, I am so sorry. Then I got him a new banana milkshake and I just left there in embarrassment.
Oh.
I have never gone back to that shop
Oh.
to this date.
Okay, so as we know, हमारे यहाँ पे मार्ट भी है. तो जब वो मार्ट नया खुला था, like it was inaugurated a few months back.
Okay.
तो सबको ऐसा था कि we'll buy cup noodles from the mart and we'll make them and then we'll eat it together. So me and my friends went to the mart. We purchased the cup noodles. फिर cup noodles तो आ गए लेकिन गर्म पानी. तो फिर टी पोस्ट है, तो वहाँ से हमने गर्म पानी लिया. We poured it and हमारे साथ साथ दूसरे जो हमारे बैचमेट्स होते हैं उन लोगों को भी हमने बताया कि we are cooking cup noodles, चलो साथ में मिलके खाएंगे, आ जाओ सब. एंड फिर जो कच्चे रहे नूडल्स, एक तो हमने सबको इनविटेशन दे दिया था एज वी आर थ्रोइंग अ ग्रैंड पार्टी. सब आए, सबको कच्चे नूडल्स खाने पड़े एंड इट वाज रियली एम्बैरेसिंग कि सबको बुला लिया लेकिन
But मजा आया.
हाँ,
Still.
टेस्ट उसका भले ही कच्चा था लेकिन जो मेमोरीज है वो आज भी मुझे याद है.
Memories
हमेशा
fresh.
रहेगी.
Right.
Yes, yes,
Right. So if we talk about Parul University, we cannot miss about talking about its events, grand concerts, festivals. So, would like to know more about it.
Okay, like a cultural event that I was a part of. It's AIU. It happens every year. Universities from all across India participate in it, and there are a lot of categories. There is theater, dance, choreography, Western and folk dance both. There is folk orchestra. There is Indian group song, Western group song, and there are more categories.
Theatre.
Guys, there is theater. Maybe there is play. There is skit. There is mime. There is mimicry, there is elocution, debate, quiz, a lot of categories. There are sports categories also. So I got a chance to take part in it last year, and I'm looking forward to take part in it this year too. So how it happens is there are 8 zones. It happens on a zonal level first, and if you rank in the zonal level first, second, or third, then you get to go to the nationals. So for the zonal level, I participated in elocution in, it was in Mehsana, I think. Yes, it was in Mehsana, and I got bronze in it. So I went
Okay.
for nationals, and nationals was in Noida, and in nationals also I scored a bronze. So that was a very huge cultural experience for me. It was a youth festival. उसने मुझे exposure दिया है, experience दिया है. I got to know a lot of prominent speakers who were, winners of youth parliaments, national events that are organized by the government also.
Okay.
So it gives a lot of exposure to students. And in other categories also, you learn a lot of things that help you in daily life. If you're doing theater, I practiced theater for 2-3 months also.
Oh.
That is a reason of my good communication skill. It taught me how to express in a better way. Other than that,
Yeah, so since I mentioned in my introduction that I love reading books, so there is this 3-day event which happens every year in January. This is called the Vadodara Literature Festival. So this year we are having the 3rd season of Vadodara Literature Festival. In Vadodara Literature Festival, prominent authors. So last year, if I'm going to give examples, last year we had Kriti Shenoy ma'am, we had Novani Chakrabarti sir. They all come here. We have book signing events wherein
Pralipta Kohli was
Yeah.
here too.
Yeah.
For her
For
debut
novels,
novel.
Too Good to Be True.
Practically mismatch.
Yeah.
Yes, mismatch.
She wrote her
Yes,
debut
mostly.
novel, which was called Too Good to Be True. And that book was released and the signing was here in our university.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
So all the students have a chance of buying a copy of hers, getting it signed. And in the literature festival, we have almost 30 plus panels. The genres are very vast: mystery, romance, cooking, or culinary, theater, even authors who write about theater, non-fiction. You can possibly think of any genre, and authors from that genre come here. They give sessions, they give workshops, they help aspiring writers.
Okay.
So my favorite event is Vadodara Literature Festival.
They do a Natya Mahotsav also. Like the students of Parul who are into theatre, they put up plays, they arrange, I guess, 2 to 3 plays, and they put up a whole Natya Mahotsav in it. Every day a new play is shown.
Okay.
So I guess like they did 6 plays this year, and at the end of Natya Mahotsav, a famous play Chanakya was also performed. It has been performed for more than 1,000 times across India and other places also. Manoj Sharma was the lead of that play. So he had been here that play was shown to us. And talking about events, there are a lot of events that
And how
happen
can we
here.
forget our annual fest, Doom?
Dhoom.
Yeah, Dhoom.
Yes.
Dhoom, it is the favorite event. मतलब सबका favorite event है. Everyone is
Okay.
waiting each year. उसमें competitions होते हैं, interdepartmental competitions. तो ऐसे तगड़ी बहुत चल रही होती है कि who is
Okay.
going to win.
Yeah.
तो उसमें ramp walk होता है, anchoring, debates, then there is play,
Yeah.
there is
Poetry.
poetry, there is dance also. Poetry, talking about poetry, तो यहाँ पे every weekend vibe and open mic भी होता है. I personally write, I do शायरी sometimes, so I love performing that in front of people. तो मुशायरे में भी I have gotten a chance to perform in the open mic.
कुछ हो जाए short if you can we.
Please.
Yeah,
Oh.
please.
Okay, there is one. ज़रूरी नहीं हर रातें दिन करने वाला आशिक हो.
Okay.
जरूरी नहीं हर रातें दिन करने वाला आशिक हो. कुछ लोग नई सुबह बुनने में मशरूफ रहते हैं.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
This is for students जो हार्ड वर्क करके रहे, so उसके लिए
Staying up all night.
staying up all night, yes, midnight fuel. And उसके अलावा यहाँ पे कॉन्सर्ट्स होते रहते हैं. न्यू ईयर्स में भी
Last year we had Badshah, Sunidhi Chauhan.
yes, freshers party में we had Badshah, Sunidhi Chauhan. Then was the Lok Daira by a very prominent Gujarati singer. He's a Gadhve. I don't remember his first name. Kirtidan Gadhvi, yes.
Okay.
And Gujarati people go crazy for it. It is the famous folk music and उन्होंने यहाँ पे लोक डायरा करवाया था. Lot of people attended that. तो जो लोग गुजराती कल्चर से नहीं है उन्हें भी वो एक नया चीज़ देखने के लिए चांस मिला. फिर recently Thala had come to our
Oh, Thala. Yes.
Yes, he is the brand ambassador of Parul now.
Now.
And along with Thala, धोनी, Manish Paul had come.
Kiku Sharda.
कीकू शारदा had come. उन्होंने अपना फेमस आइकॉनिक जो लुक है बच्चा यादव वाला चॉक्स का पिटारा उन्हें वो सब भी परफॉर्म किया था.
Right.
And धोनी had a shoot on stage also, you know, cricket वो खेल रहे थे वैसा helicopter shot था.
Okay.
Right. So that is also one of the things students are going, you know, crazy about, right?
Thala for a reason.
Thala for a reason, definitely.
Yeah, yeah. Any other events, like any other highlights?
Apart from all these big massive events, each institute itself has many events conducted throughout the year for people who are raw when it comes to potential and they feel shy performing in front of large crowds. So there is also such events happening in the university where the audience is not that huge, but still students get a chance to showcase their talents and skills.
Okay.
Every year there are two fests by the Design Institute. There is VFW, that is the Vadodara Fashion Week. You know, students from 6th and 8th semesters of fashion, उन्होंने जो garments बनाए होते हैं, they call models, everything is set up for them and models walk on the ramp. There is a garment ka line, whatever they have made, that is showcased in front of anyone. Very prominent fashion figures are called. This time there was Uma Qureshi.
Okay.
She came here and she came here along with a fashion designer. So the students get exposure to meet professionals also. And another would be VFDF, that is the Vadodara Film and Direction Festival.
Okay.
So last year in VFDF there was Boman Rani had come. Many famous people who know do 3D. Arjun Kapoor was also there.
Okay.
Many people who do, you know, the 3D, the animation and the VFX for the movies. वैसे professionals को भी बुलाया गया था. And expert workshops had been organized ताकि the students who are studying in those relevant fields वो उन skills को कि how things are done behind the scenes ये सब वो सीख सके. So इसके लिए platforms दिए जाते हैं.
Then we also have a cell here which is called Scientific Communication Outreach and Public Engagement Cell.
Oh.
This cell is specially dedicated for research work. So every year this cell conducts a international conference wherein people who want to present their paperwork on some research that they have conducted. This year it was in December and we had researchers coming from University of Helsinki, which is in Finland,
Okay.
and also researchers coming from very famous abroad universities.
Yes, and like talking about researchers coming from you know other countries, तो बहुत सारी industrial workshops होती हैं जिसमें experts are called from outside also. There are semester exchange programs also over here. So you get a chance to go to some other country and you get to study in that university for a semester. And that is also kind of exposure that this
Also, we have summer
provides.
school programs. So for students who don't want to go abroad to study for an entire semester, they can go there for their summer break so that they can get some exposure, global exposure.
Yes.
So quite a diversified culture here, you must say.
absolutely.
So, if you want to talk about cultural diversity and these events you want to collect, how do they, you know, manage all these things all together? Like, you know, a lot of people are coming from different backgrounds, different culture, and the events are happening in the, you know, heart of Gujarat. So, do they celebrate all the festivals here?
Yes, absolutely.
And how can we not forget our
Navratri.
and
You
that
Navratri.
also, and folklore,
Folklore.
the largest fest, cultural fest.
Okay, like those two fests are जिसमें आप cultural diversity बिल्कुल देख सकते हो. It is cultural diversity is everywhere. So in Parul University, students are coming from a lot of countries. I think there are more than 100 countries from where students are coming to study over here.
Okay.
And iconic moment अगर मैं कुछ कहूँ तो it is नवरात्रि में I have seen international students wearing चनिया चोली, wearing
Okay.
that traditional गुज्जू outfit जो केरिया कहते हैं हम उसे, वो उन्हें पहन के they are doing गरबा.
And mainly they're having Garba step.
Yes, they मतलब वो deliberately, you know, they try to learn before Navratri and Navratri के time पे they play with us. So that is like
And if I'm
Very
not
much
wrong, we
relaxed.
had Spider-Man here in Navratri this year.
Yes.
Spider-Man Navratri.
मतलब
Okay.
ये
It
it was एक रील थी जो वायरल हो गई. There was a student who
was
dressed up as a Spider-Man in नवरात्रि, क्योंकि नवरात्रि में यहाँ पे थीम कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी होती है. तो एवरी डे दे गिव अ थीम. किसी दिन नेचर, किसी दिन इट वाज सन एंड मून. आई माई सेल्फ ड्रेस्ड अप एज सन एंड मून का कॉम्बिनेशन थिंग मैंने करा था. एंड दे गिव प्राइजेस. जजेस आते हैं, दे जज यू ऑन योर आउटफिट, द वे यू डांस, योर डिमीनर. एंड उसके बाद प्राइजेस में देयर आर स्मार्ट वॉचेस, फोन्स, टैबलेट्स, लैपटॉप्स, कैमराज, a lot of gadgets.
Interesting काफी.
Yes, and I clearly remember कि एक गॉड की थीम थी.
Yeah.
And इस बार नवरात्रि में there was some guy जो जगन्नाथ जी बनकर आए थे. Like that person had put in so much effort, like पूरा outfit, jewelry and everything, and then he got the prize.
And the creativity level.
Yes, the creativity level. During Navratri, students get very creative. There is a fusion of outfits also, you know, blazer के साथ चनिया चोली पहना है.
Okay.
It is very creative. It's a fun sight.
Blazer with chaniya choli like only can happen in Gujarat itself.
It can only happen in Gujarat.
And no matter which event it is, it always ends with Garba.
Always ends with Garba.
Has to be Garba.
Has to be Garba. And अभी folklore हुआ था. Last year folklore conclave was in Parul का campus itself. This year it happened at Statue of Unity.
Wow.
So students from international countries, they came here, they performed their own folk dance. हमारी भी पारुल की folk dance की team है. They performed folk dance of Gujarat, that is Ras. So culturally, Parul is very diverse. You will get to see a lot of things. Since you meet people from different cultures, you learn about their culture also. They learn about yours. You try new things. तो मजा आता है. It's a good vibe.
Okay. Okay. So, I mean, how did you guys find making friends here when you came into this university? How was it?
So the first set of friends that we actually make are the people next to whom we sit in the class on the very first day.
Very first day.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then clubs also help us to make friends. Like we both met through the literature club, and then we have an unbreakable bond between us.
Yes.
Okay.
Because of the club.
Unbreakable.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
Girl power.
Yes.
So about me is जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी तो I knew nobody over here. And the first people that I met were my roommates. So all of them were seniors. और मेरी तो मतलब डर के मारे हालत खराब थी कि अब क्या होगा, क्योंकि तीनों seniors थे. One was in masters and the other two, they were at least 2 years senior to me. So I was a little tensed कि क्या होगा, कैसा होगा, but they were very welcoming. They were my first friends. फिर पहले 1-2 दिन तो मैंने अकेले कैंपस एक्सप्लोर करा. आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग विथ देम. दे शोड मी न्यू प्लेसेस, खाना कहाँ अच्छा है, क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे. एंड आफ्टर दैट कॉलेज स्टार्टेड. तो व्हेन कॉलेज स्टार्टेड, तो यूजुअली व्हेन कॉलेज स्टार्ट्स आपको पहले बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप होता है. जब कॉलेज स्टार्ट हुआ था मेरा 17 से 20 लोगों का ग्रुप था.
Same for me.
Okay.
17 to 20 people. And eventually, abhi it has come down to 7 or 5 to 7 people. It's a small group now. But Parul mein, you can easily find companions.
Okay.
Whether it be class, whether it be outside, whether it be in your hostel, it's a very welcoming, it's a very warm environment.
Okay. Okay. So let's talk about its infrastructure a bit because I mean, a lot of canteens are here. Which one is your favorite and what all canteens are there?
Canteens तो इतनी ज़्यादा है, मतलब
So the सबके.
हर जगह कैंटीन है. I'll try to count how many
Okay.
you know. एक है कैपिटल,
Main food court.
main or the new food court. There used to be a old food court. There is a Krishna canteen.
Yes.
There is Indian Salt, that is a restaurant over here.
Design की canteen.
डिजाइन की अलग कैंटीन है. उसके बाद there is Utopia, that is near boys hostel वाले area. Then there is medical canteen inside the Sevashram hospital. Then there is Om Sai, that is kind of like a restaurant only. And उसके अलावा एक दो और भी जगह हैं
हाँ.
that I can't remember right now. There are so many places to eat. खाने की कोई कमी नहीं है.
So which one is your favorite?
My favorite. How can I choose a favorite? I like मुझे हर जगह से कुछ ना कुछ पसंद है, तो वो मेरी craving पे depend है.
Every food outlet here has its own speciality.
Okay.
Like if you are into Korean food, if you like boba, corn dog वगैरह, new food court will be your place. If you like pizza, तो Domino's है. Then there is AC canteen. वहाँ पे आपको छोले भटूरे, कुलचे वगैरह
We have Lapinos there.
Lapino is there. If you're dessert, तो स्पेशली डेजर्ट के लिए भी 2 जगह है. There's a place जहाँ पे waffles मिलते हैं, there's a place जहाँ पे thick shakes and desserts मिलते हैं.
Okay.
yes,
Waffles भी मिलते हैं यहाँ पर.
yes.
वैसा look ही है. Seriously. And any other part of infrastructure, like, what all things are there other than canteens? Like, you have, I think, a supermart also.
Yes.
Interesting to know that.
We also have a salon.
Yes.
Salon?
We have two
Yes.
salons and we have a supermart and we have another grocery store that is inside a certain building. So campus पे there's not only students living, there's a lot of staff also that lives on campus. तो उन्होंने एक supermart बनाया for everyone's convenience. You can find everything over there. Groceries, fruits, vegetables, daily essentials, snacks. You can grab everything over there. Salon भी है. Every now and then, आपको if you want a haircut, if you want a spa, if you want something like that, तो आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो. एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में कैंपस तो बहुत ही बड़ा है इधर. इट्स अ वास्ट कैंपस. इट टुक मी 2 to 3 days to know the entire campus. He was there and I'm still discovering new things. So there are a lot of sports grounds also.
Okay.
Yes, there are different grounds for each sport. Cricket के लिए, football, hockey, basketball, volleyball.
We have an indoor games space for
Yes, they have like for wrestling and such sports, boxing, table tennis, chess. They have that also. They all
horse riding के लिए भी अलग है.
हाँ.
Horse riding.
Yes, they have a horse stable over here.
And we have many courses which we can do to get ourselves skilled in that.
Yes,
Okay.
you can do a 6-month course in horse riding, like that.
It's a part of your curriculum, or you can.
No, it depends on the person. If he or she is interested, he can.
If you want to opt for it, you can go for it.
Yes.
Okay. That's great.
Yes. Other than that, we have an open theater जहाँ पे मूवी स्क्रीनिंग्स होती हैं.
Okay, हाँ,
फर्स्ट
right.
डिजाइन बिल्डिंग के पास देयर इज एन एम्फी थिएटर जहाँ पे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं. ओपन माइक होता है. फिर
We have the BBA ground.
we have the BBA ground. क्या
यहाँ पे गणेश जी आता है during गणेश चतुर्थी.
गणेश चतुर्थी में वहाँ पे गणेश जी की मूर्ति की स्थापना की जाती है. एंड रोज वहाँ पे
Ball.
आर्चरी वगैरह भी होती है. हाँ, मैचेस वगैरह भी होते हैं. देन द टेम्पल ओवर हियर, वहाँ से जब रथ यात्रा भी होती है तो यहाँ पे रथ यात्रा भी निकलती है. तो दैट गोज फ्रॉम द टेम्पल, इट गोज अराउंड द एंटायर कैंपस.
Okay.
गणपति विसर्जन पे भी गणेश जी की जो मूर्ति है दैट गोज अराउंड द एंटायर कैंपस एंड उसके बाद उसका विसर्जन किया जाता है.
So festivals are quite vibrant here. Let's say.
यस.
Everyone get indulged into it completely. So how's the vibe during the festivals?
खाए पीने जलसा.
खाए पीने?
ખાઈ પીને જલસા. That is the vibe.
Moj is moj.
Spiral. મોજ. ખાવાનું પીવાનું મજા નહીં લાગે.
मजा नहीं लाइफ.
That is the life motto of people over here. You eat food, there's a vibrant campus, you enjoy everything over here. So the vibe is, मैं कैसे बताऊँ, it's almost like student of the year, करण जौहर vibes.
Okay.
और जितना जॉली हैप्पी कैंपस दिखाते हैं, जितनी मस्ती दिखाते हैं, उतनी मस्ती यहाँ पे होती है.
Okay.
चाहे वो इवेंट्स हो, चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट करना हो, चाहे वो कैंपस एस्थेटिक्स पे फोटो खींचना हो, everything over here is a different kind of fun. It's Parul in itself, it's like a own small town in itself. इतना कुछ पारुल के अंदर है.
Right. It's a own country itself.
Yeah.
Parul.
Yeah,
Very happy town.
Quite
small
happy
happy town.
Great. So let's get into the most exciting part of this podcast. Right. We are getting to rapid fire.
Sounds amazing.
Great,
Amazing.
great.
તમે તૈયાર છો?
एकदम तैयार.
તૈયાર છો? ચાલો. Let's go. Okay. A club every student should try once.
Culture.
Literature.
Okay. Best snack on the campus.
वड़ा पाव.
Mr. Puff's peri peri French fries.
Peri peri. Okay. Most Instagram worthy spot.
पारुल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ डिजाइन.
Same. Parul Institute of Design.
Okay. We're in. A PU inside joke.
यहाँ सब पॉसिबल है.
You can be a fresher, or even if it's your last day on the campus, you'll get lost.
Get lost.
जस्ट खो जाओगे, इतना बड़ा कैंपस है.
Okay. Okay. ढूंढते रह जाओगे.
ढूंढते रह जाओगे.
Pool बुलैया जैसा.
Okay. Okay. One thing you will truly miss after completing degree from here.
फूड.
दोस्तों के साथ बातचीत food court में वाली.
Okay. Okay. Describe PU in one word or sentence or a dialogue.
खाई पीने मौज.
A warm hug.
Okay. And if you like to describe your college journey in a song.
रूबर नहीं क्या था, दुआ छटा खुला that song.
Okay.
Nice. Since I'm a Swiftie, Robin by Taylor Swift, especially Way to Go Tiger, Higher and Higher.
Higher and higher.
Higher.
Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Thank you so much for your time. We really had a lovely conversation.
Thank you for
Thank you
having
so
us.
Thank you.